The 2024 Chevrolet Trax arrives as a completely overhauled crossover with a larger footprint and improved tech over the existing vehicle. The new model goes on sale in the U.S. in spring 2023. Chevy is offering the new Trax in 5 trim levels: LS, 1 RS, LT, 2 RS, and Activ. This is the rugged-looking Trax Activ, which begins at $24,995. It features titanium chrome accents, an aggressive-looking rear skid plate motif, and 18-inch wheels with a black finish. The LT, 2 RS, and Activ are more advanced as they have an 8-inch digital instrument cluster and an 11-inch infotainment system. The models also have an automatic climate control system, a push-button ignition, and remote start, among other things. Furthermore, the 1 RS, 2 RS, and Activ trims have heated front seats and a heated steering wheel, while the Activ also boasts a powered driver's seat. Power comes from a turbocharged 1.2-liter 3-cylinder engine that produces an estimated 137 horsepower and 162 pound-feet of torque. That's 18 horsepower and 15 pound-feet less than its predecessor, which used a turbocharged 1.4-liter 4-cylinder. This is 2024 Chevy Trax RS trim level. The 2024 version is 11 inches longer, with a 6-inch longer wheelbase, wider track, 3 inches additional leg room in the second row and 12% greater cargo capacity than the current Trax. The Trax looks similar to the Supercar crossover that GM sells in overseas markets, and Chevy says it will be built in Korea. The old model ended production after the 2022 model year, and there will be number 2023 Trax. Look for the 2024 model to reach U.S. dealerships in the spring of 2023. Besides the equipment differences, the RS2 has a flat-bottom steering wheel and red contrast stitching. The Activ, on the other hand, has EVIDEX seats with yellow accents. Buyers will also find a handful of options, including a sunroof and a newly available wireless smartphone charger on the LT, 2 RS, and Activ. The 2024 Trax receives lots of standard tech. The LS and 1 RS grades have an 8.0-inch diagonal infotainment screen. The LT, 2 RS, and Activ upgrade that to an 11-inch diagonal display. The higher trims also come with features like heated seats, remote start, wireless phone charging, and automatic climate control. All models have active noise cancellation. 2024 Chevrolet Trax 1 RS starts at $23,195 while Trax 2 RS will start at $24,995.